Last day in Bhutan, day 15. Today we ride for how many kilometers? 213 kilometers to Phuntsholing. 6 hours riding time, including breaks. It would be about 7.5 hours.
Bhutan trip is over.
Yeah, Bhutan leg is over. This is our rushing back phase of the trip. बुरा लग रहा है थोड़ा. Say bye, April.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Mama,
Yeah.
can you say don't be in bike?
And I'm gonna miss her.
Jack Herders Boutique and Food and Lodge. We had the sweetest of hosts. Very nice family that runs the business. And with a heavy heart for multiple reasons, we say goodbye to Bhutan today.
The return journey is always marked with a certain sense of urgency. It was the same for us, but for different reasons. We were looking for that one last adventure. And this adventure meant we had to ride for almost 600 kilometers over a period of 2 days.
I think this is the exit checkpoint to Bhutan. इसके बाद Phuntsholing में chill कर सकता है. Good morning, day 16. Time is 7:15 Bhutan time. We are in Phuntsholing right now. We're staying at Tropical Toppings. That's the name of the place. That's a one-night stay that we had to find. So today we are riding to a place near Guwahati. It's around 379 kilometers. That should take us about 10 hours. This is the longest ride of the trip. We're hoping for an earlier start, but you know the story. The bags are packed. We just need to put on our gear and then push off. Bhutan, we're gonna miss you immediately, guys. Now you'll get to see the fucking transition. Here we go, India. मेरा भारत महान.
Day 2 of the ride was all about speed, about miles and milestones. 400 kilometers in one day, over roads which are not particularly biker friendly, and in a weather which was far from suitable.
देख कैसा लग रहा है कैटरपिलर.
क्या लग रहा है?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar time.
Baby, don't look like this in the video.
Destination is 83 kilometers. We have come how many kilometers?
Same.
We have come 183 kilometers. The time is 11:30. We'll stop in another 1.5 hours, 90 minutes, and we'll try
If you
to cover.
talk like that,
And
we are
we'll-
not taking you anywhere.
She is not taking me anywhere. Lol, lol. In 90 minutes we will cover 90 kilometers is my dawa. बाकी मर जावा मिट जावा. Have we arrived? Wow, this is nice. Final destination of this entire trip before we go to Guwahati airport and then back to Bangalore. And what a beautiful, beautiful place this is.
We had to come here.
Our bikes are parked right up there. Wallah, 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 wallah.
ध्यान से फिसलना नहीं.
ध्यान से फिसलना.
मत फिसलना.
Come go. लाओ हाथ लाओ जल्दी. 380 kilometers. Time is 5:30.
The last 2 days were a hunt for a last adventure. And boy did we get one. While we were cooped up in a small little island in the middle of nowhere, Cyclone Fani was rolling across Meghalaya and Assam, bringing relentless rain that lasted for 16 straight hours.
Day 17 at Chandubi Lake. समय हो रहा है 1:45, 1:45, 1:45. हम निकले थे लेक के सैर पे, but right now मौसम खराब होने की संभावना है. हमारे संवाददाता हमारे तो ये साइन ऑफ है हमारा इस ट्रिप से. बाय बाय.
Through this video journal, I have tried to capture the beauty of this country. But at the same time, I also know that I have probably just scratched the surface of what this country truly represents. If you like my story, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section.